This is good. This is good. We're doing something really fun. We're doing something really fun, and everybody needs to know about it. So it's always better. It's always better if somebody explains how it works, so people don't need to try to regurgitate, the information that they might not know, right? So it's easier coming from me. They can just share this, and this is how it works. This is what we're doing, and this is how we're going to change the world. My name is Rob Tolles. I'm the CEO of SmashFund. SmashFund, in my opinion, is the first crowdfunding company operating as a social network. The first time where people could come together, be connected to one another, and do life. Weigh in on each other's projects, encourage one another, and allow that process to go viral. And not just here, but eventually around the world. And so SmashFund to me is the first time where people can be enlightened to actually achieve their dreams that they've always had. So that in a nutshell, that's it. I believe SmashFund is really just the first company to bring people together and like-minded people to create this massive network. First of all, I love the crowdfunding space. This is the most exciting space I've ever seen, because one thing we know for sure, out of the billions of people on this planet, every single person has a project that they like to fund. But then I read an article about the failure rate. How many projects never get funded? But I thought, what if we started a crowdfunding platform that came alongside that creator and helped them fund their project based on our revenues? That said, hey, if you build a massive user base for us, we'll come alongside you and help you fund your project. Thanks so much for adding so many users, followers, friends. And here is a check every month. I think we have the solution for the crowdfunding space to help every single project creator around the world fund their project. So every single month, we get that funding check to them, toward their project page and making it happen. We've worked very fast, very quickly. Starting a SmashFund account takes literally 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just your passion. It's simple. It's just talking about whatever your passions are, and you got to start somewhere. And like I said, everybody has multiple projects already they like to fund. So after you have your account and it's live, even if it's not live, just get moving. But the first thing you want to do is tell the world that you're now part of SmashFund, because you want them to get their project up as fast as possible. You want to start building your crowd, because the crowd will become interactive with you. They'll see what your project is, what you're passionate about, and then you get to start doing life together. And so within the first day of having a SmashFund account, you should have at least 5 others that have done the same thing. Other crowds could start to overlap with your crowd as well, right? It is a social network, so expect to find people that you don't even know start connecting to your crowd. If that simple process were to duplicate, just over a 6-day period, you would have thousands and thousands of people connected to your crowd. All project creators posting what they're passionate about. You don't know most of those people. You have no idea where they came from. But you started that initial group, that group of connectivity that is starting to grow. Say it takes 6 weeks. Those thousands of connections you created, that's our marketing. Here's a funding check to your project page for allowing us to do that, or helping us build that user base. Not to mention all those creators within your crowd and different crowds overlapping that are doing the same thing. So do this. Take 5 minutes, get your own SmashFund profile, invite 5 or more friends to do the same, and watch your crowd start to grow and fund your project.